So in the previous videos we have seen the study about the similar figures. In this video we have studied the criteria of similarity of triangles. Means if you know that two figures or the two triangles are similar, but how you put or how you write or how you prove that similarity mathematically. So what are the criteria? So the criteria of the similarity of we know if the two triangles are similar or said to be similar if and only if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportions or in the same ratio. Make it more clear with the help of this figure. See, we have two triangles A, B, C and D, E, F. So as you can see, these two triangles are similar because they are same in shape but different in size. So how you prove mathematically that these two triangles are similar? So in the definitions, if you have to prove the two similarity between the two triangles, you have to follow either of these two conditions. Their corresponding angles are equal or their corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding angles of A is corresponding angle of a triangle ABC. A is corresponding angle of D, B corresponding angle E, and C's corresponding angle is F. If these two triangles are similar, so the triangle A should be the angle A should be equals to B, angle B should be equals to angle E, and angle C should be equals to angle F. Or for the corresponding side, so side AB is to side DE should be equals to the BC upon EF or AC upon DF. So the ratio of this side, or you may say the corresponding side of the two triangles should be same of another two sides. So the AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. So corresponding side of AB is DE, corresponding side of BC is EF, corresponding side of AC is DF. So the ratio of the corresponding sides of the two triangles should be in same proportion as given below. So if these two conditions are followed, then you may say that these two triangles are similar to each other. So how we symbolically write that the similarity of two triangles is given here. The triangle ABC, this is the symbol of similarity, is similar to the triangle DEF. So what are the different criteria for the similarities of the triangle? So we have three different criteria by which we can prove the similarity of the two triangles. From these three, we have studied one by one. The first is angle similarity. So what this criteria angle says that if the two angles of a triangle are equal or the two corresponding angles of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, then the third angle of two triangles are necessarily equal because the sum of three triangles of a triangle, sum of the three angles of the triangle is always 180. So what this statement say is we have two triangles A, B, C, D, E, F. If these two triangles are equal, these two triangles are similar, then what condition should be followed? Angle P equals to angle E, as you can see, angle B equals to angle E, angle A equals to angle D, A equals to angle D, angle C equals to angle F, angle C equals to angle F. So what this angle rule says that if the any of the two angles of the triangles, any two angles of both the triangles are equal to each other, then you may say that these triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so if these conditions are followed, so you may say that you can say that these two triangles are similar. So how you write? The triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. In the next criteria, the side criteria. So what that side criteria of similarity said, if in two triangles, side of one triangle are proportional or in the same ratio to the side of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So understand this better. So similarly we have two triangles A, B, C, D, E, F. So if the ratio of the corresponding sides of these two triangles are in same proportion, then you can say that these two triangles is similar. Okay, as we seen in previous slides, that the corresponding side of AB is DE, AC is TF, and BC is EF. So the AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, or the triangle E equals to triangle B, because the equal similar sides makes the same angles. Okay, the last criteria of the similarity is side angle side. If one angle of a triangle is equals to the one angle of the other triangle and the side including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So ABC is the one triangle, DEF is the another triangle. If the ratio of the corresponding sides AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF, and the angle A is equals to angle D, means the ratio of the two corresponding sides is equal, or the two corresponding sides are in same proportion of both the triangles, and the one angle of both the triangles is equals to each other, then also you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we have three criteria: angle angle, or angle, or second is side, and third is side angle side. Any of these three criteria, if any of these three criteria are followed, or the following in any two figures, then you can say that these two figures are similar to each other.